Hello and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will go a little bit deeper into the different paste functions. Looking at the normal paste functions, we have a simple paste function. This is simply copying or cutting information and pasting it at a different location within the workbook. We also have paste formulas, where if the cell that is being copied contains a formula, that formula can be pasted into a different cell. We have paste formulas and number formatting, which is the same as paste formulas, but also includes any number formatting, such as formatting with decimals or currency, etc. You then have keep source formatting, where copying and pasting the information will keep the same formats used within the copied cell. We then have no borders. This is useful when copying a table that has borders and you want to paste it without borders. Then there is keep source column widths, whereas if you do copy information, such as column E has got a wider width, if you do paste it somewhere else, it will then duplicate the width of the column as well. And then lastly, we have transpose, which if you copy data that is horizontal and choose the transpose option, it will paste it as vertical or vice versa. I trust you like this video, and if you want to see more, remember to like and subscribe.